we got another Kimber, baby, and I'ma show you. But of course, after the intro. Look at this beautiful box with the always stamped what all guns should be. Man, I swear, Kimber's packaging is just all out amazing. When you open the box, you're greeted with this awesome printed, own something legendary. And of course with a statement that's gonna try to justify, make you not feel so bad about spending damn near almost $2,000. I mean, y'all can pause and read this if you want, but because the Kimber is what all guns should be. They definitely sell that to you, but ladies and gentlemen, if you ain't know by now, Kimber can definitely back it up. Kimbers are just badass, point blank, period. Thank you for trusting your next shot to Kimber. But look at this pouch that comes along with this box, man. I mean, carrying case, man, purse, whatever you want to call it. This pouch is freaking awesome. That stitched rubber logo thingamajig right there. I mean, that's actually stitched on. It's not an iron on. It's stitched on. Kimber don't play around, baby. In fact, this should have been the introduction, not with the box. With the box or the carrying case, either one, it don't matter. This is dope. The stitching, the quality, the smell is just all out badass and awesome. It's perfect for the range. Anyway, here she is, the Kimber Kds9C Black. And she's a beaut. 2023 Kds9C Black released by Kimber. There's a few different platforms available in the Kimber Kds9C pistols lineup, so try not to get this one confused. But this is the Kimber Kds9C Black. That's it. Not the rail, not the 10RD round, the black for $1,495. Woo-wee, a la madre. This awesome 9mm has a 5.35 inch height, 25.3 weight in ounces with the empty magazine, 7.75 inch in length, 1.33 inches in width. When you get this bad boy brand new, you get 2 magazines with a 15 round capacity, skeletonized squared serrated hammer, recoil spring, and 16.9 pounds. The frame is made in that 7075 aluminum Kim Pro Black. The slide is stainless steel, front and rear cocking serrations Kim Pro Black. The barrel has a length of 4.09 inches, also stainless steel, 20-degree flush cut deep crown twist rate 1 versus 10 LH, whatever the fuck that means, but I love it. Proprietary serrated adjustable rear sight, green fiber optic front sight, optic ready with removable cover plate, micro optic RMSC/Holosun-K mounting plates available. The grips, gray and black with that G10 cross hatch. The trigger, factory setting 3.5-4.5 pounds. There's some awesome videos of this bad boy all over YouTube. You can check it out right now, but let me tell you this, is it a buy? Yes! Yes! Hell yeah! For even you first time buyers, yes, if you got the scratch, if you got the bank, if you got it like that, go and buy yourself this bad boy. It'll do its job, it's crazy reliable, super durable, and it's gonna hold its value if it's ever time to resell it, pawn it, whatever. Yeah, it's a lot of money, and if you're new to the game, at least you'll buy what you're gonna stick with and learn on, you feel me? Instead of buying small, then working your way up down the road and having to spend all kinds of money down the road, just buy this bad boy. You're gonna spend all that money anyway, because I promise you this, I don't care who you are, what you are, where you are. You buy one, you're gonna buy 2. Trust me, 1 is not enough, son. Anyway, that's it for this quick little show and tell Kimber on the Kds9C. But I got a crazy story for y'all on my next video about the Kimbo makeup. Kimbo, what the fuck? The R.I.P. Kimbo Slice. Anyway, I got a crazy story to share with y'all about the Mako R7 that I purchased. Also a Kimber, but that is a crazy story, and I got it for you on the next video. Anyway, please give me your thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and watch the playlist on all the firearms if that's your thing. Much love, y'all. Peace.